Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the class at the Kenn Centre on the 11th of October, and this was the intermediate class. We did a train, a slow spin, a step across Archie and a first move Manhattan. Links in the description below for the teaching clips if you want more detail, and this clip will show you how everything went together. So we started off right to right for the train, and it went 7 and 8, a back, return, on the shoulder, walk in 1, 2, 3, out and on the shoulder, walk in 1, 2, 3, out, ready for the slow spin, we went a prep and went a 1, 2, catch, return, step across Archie, we went a through, Archie and a face, return, first move Manhattan, we came in, a forward and back, a back and forwards, a forwards and back, a back and forwards, twist out and in, turn underneath and face hand change, return, set us up to go back into the train. Hope you find that helpful. We will be back next time with another modern jive clip. Thank you very much for watching. Music recommendation on the end, and I say it all the time, but I really do appreciate it. Thank you to everybody who likes, subscribes and hits the bell. We'll see you soon. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.